Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do the foundation of AI. It's one thing to say that the mind operates at least in part according to logical rules, and to build a physical system that emulates some of those rules. It's another to say that the mind itself is such a physical system. Now, in that the foundations, we'll do some details about foundation of AI in that first. The foundation of AI rests on several core concepts including data, machine learning, neural network, and deep learning. These concepts are crucial for enabling AI systems to learn from data, recognize pattern, and make predictions or decisions. First, what are data? Here, AI relies heavily on data. The more data an AI system has, the better it can learn and perform. This data can come from various sources, including images, text, or sensor readings. Data is the foundation of artificial intelligence, AI, fueling its learning, decisions making, and continuous improvements. AI systems rely on vast amount of data to identify pattern, make predictions, and enhance their performance over time. The quality and quantity of data significantly impact the effectiveness of AI models. Machine learning. What is that machine learning? ML is the backbone of AI, allowing algorithms to learn from data without explicit programming. This involves training an algorithm on a data set, allowing it to improve over time and make predictions based on new data. And artificial intelligence, machine learning, and machine learning are interrelated but distinct concepts. AI is a broad field of creating intelligent system that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on algorithms that learn from data without being explicitly programmed. In essence, AI is the overarching goal, while machine learning is a key method for achieving it. Neural network. What is that? Inspired by the human brain, neural networks are networks of algorithms that mimics the way neurons interact. These networks are used to pattern recognition and solving various problems in AI, ML, and deep learning. Neural networks are a powerful type of artificial intelligence algorithms inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. They are used to process data, learn patterns, and make predictions or decisions. Decision theory in mathematics. What are the formal rules to draw a valid conclusion? What can be computed? How do we reason with uncertain information? Philosophers asked out some of the fundamental ideas of AI, but the leap of formal science required a level of mathematical formulation in three fundamental areas: logic, computation, and probability. Decision theory in mathematics is very important in AI. Decision theory in mathematics is a framework for analyzing and making choices under a certain conditions using methods from probability, statistics, and logic. It helps determine the optimal course of action when multiple alternatives are available and their consequences are not known with certainty. Decision theory in economics. Look at here. In economics, how should we make decisions so as to maximize payoff? How should we do this when often may not go along? How should we do this when the payoff may be far in the future? The science of economics got its start in 1776 onward. Decision theory is in economics is a framework for analyzing how individuals and firms make choices to, especially when facing uncertainty or making decisions with multiple possible outcomes. It helps understand the logic behind economics decision and predict behaviors in markets and individual choices. Neuroscience in AI. How do brain process information? Neuroscience is the study of nervous system, particularly the brain. Although the exact way in which the brain enables through is one of the great mysteries of science. The fact that is, it does enable thought has been appreciated for thousands of years because of the evidence that strong blows to the head can lead a mental insufficiencies. Neuroscience and AI are increasingly intertwined, with each field informing and benefiting from the other. AI, particularly machine learning, has been inspired by the architecture and function of the brain, leading to the development of neural network that can perform complex tasks like image recognition and language translations. Conversely, AI is being used as a powerful tool in neuroscience to analyze large data sets, understand brain functions, and develop new treatments for neurological disorders. Next one, psychology in AI. Look at here. Psychology. How do humans and animals think and act? The origins of scientific psychology are usually traced to the work of German physicist Hermann von Helmholtz and his student Wilhelm Wundt developed basically the psychology in starting. Psychology plays a crucial role in the both developing and applying artificial intelligence. Artificial psychology explores the mental process of AI system, while psychology informs the development of AI for mental health, diagnostic support, and the therapeutic interventions. AI is also being used to improve psychological research by automating tasks, analyzing large data sets, and simulating human behavior. What is cognitive psychology in AI? Artificial intelligence, that is AI, and cognitive psychology share a significant overlap, both seeking to understand and model human cognitions. AI aims to create machines capable of performing intelligent tasks, while cognitive psychology investigates the mental process underlying human intelligence. AI, particularly cognitive AI, leverages principles from cognitive psychology to design intelligent systems that can learn, reason, and make decisions. Next one. What is computer engineering in AI? Computer engineering plays a vital role in the field of artificial intelligence by providing the hardware and software foundations for AI systems. Computer engineers design and implement the algorithms, data processing, and infrastructure necessary for AI development and deployment. This includes everything from developing machine learning models to building the system that manage the analyze and large data sets. Control theory and cybernetics AI. What is that? Control theory and cybernetics are closely related disciplines that focus on how systems, including artificial intelligence, are controlled and regulated. Control theory, as a branch of engineering and mathematics, deals with the behavior of dynamic system and designing controllers to manipulate inputs to achieve desired outputs. Cybernetics, on the other hand, is a broader interdisciplinary field that studies the structure of regulatory systems, including communication and control in both natural and artificial systems. In AI control theory provides the framework for designing an intelligent system that can make decisions and take action to achieve specific goals, while cybernetics offers a broader perspective on how these systems interact and adapt to their environment. Linguistic AI. What is linguistics? That is a speech. Linguistics and artificial intelligence are deeply intertwined, with AI leveraging linguistic principles to enable computers to understand by your talk, process, and generate human language. This field, often referred to as a linguistic AI or neural language processing (NLP), aim to create systems that can interact with human using a natural language. So far, we discussed about the basic foundation of AI. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.